AI is melting data centers, and that crisis creating a $50 billion opportunity.
Water removes heat 3,500 times more effectively than air. That simple fact changes everything.
Modern AI racks now pull 120 kilowatts. That is 8 times what air cooling can handle.
An NVIDIA roadmap from Hopper to Kyber pushes rack power from 20 kilowatts all the way to 600.
One GPU rack now consumes as much power as 40 homes. Air cooling simply cannot keep up. Direct-to-chip cooling uses copper-cold plates with microchannels, just 0.05 millimeters wide.
Each GB200 superchip dumps 1,200 watts of heat. Stacked cold plates capture 98% of it.
Immersion cooling submerges entire servers in special dielectric fluid. It handles over 200 kilowatts.
When 3M exited the PFAS fluid market, it triggered a supply crisis across the entire industry.
800-volt DC architecture cuts copper weight by 45% and boosts efficiency by 5%. Efficiency improved from 1.5 with air down to 1.03 with full immersion.
The liquid cooling market is projected to grow from $7 billion to $55 billion by 2035.
Goldman Sachs calls it a chilling opportunity. The cooling market hits $14 billion next year alone.
Hyperscalers are spending $725 billion on CapEx in 2026.
Vertiv leads with $10.2 billion in revenue and a massive $9.5 billion backlog.
Modine just posted its 4th straight record year at $3.18 billion in sales.
nVent is growing 53% year over year, with its systems protection segment up 76%.
Ecolab acquired Coolit for $4.75 billion. That is a 17 times revenue multiple.
Samsung, SKC, LG, and Korean refiners are all building cooling supply chains. This is a real investable theme.
Foxconn invested $1.4 billion in Kaohsiung, with Asia's first GB300 cluster running on 800-volt DC.
The M&A wave is accelerating. Billions are flowing into cooling consolidation across the sector.
5 pillars. The bottleneck shifted from chips to infrastructure. Liquid cooling is now mandatory. Direct-to-chip is winning. Picks and shovels companies lead. And Vera Rubin is the next wave.
Risks are real. Valuations are stretched, execution takes time, and regulatory changes could reshape the landscape.
Key numbers: $7 billion market today, $55 billion by 2035, 20 to 30% CAGR, $725 billion in hyperscaler spending.
The bottleneck shifted from chips to infrastructure. Liquid cooling is the picks and shovels trade of the AI era.